So we recently returned from a fantastic trip in Nuevo, Vallarta, which is just about 20-30 minutes north of Vallarta, Mexico. We stayed at an all-inclusive resort called the Marival Distinct, and we really had a fantastic time. The intro that you saw the clip of us leaving our balcony and hotel room was our bedroom that we had within the resort, which featured 2 bedrooms, a living and dining and kitchen area. And I'll also include some footage of us touring our bedroom so you can get a better feel for the layout. But I think in general, if you're looking for an excellent all-inclusive resort in Mexico, you should really give this a shot. Puerto Vallarta is an easy destination to get to. It's only about a 2.5-hour flight from San Diego, where we live. And in general, as I've mentioned in the past and some of the videos you've probably seen on our channel, we love to cruise. And the thing that really stood out with our recent visit to this resort was the service. The food was excellent, the drinks were great, the entertainment was very good, but the service really exceeded our expectations. Just like we enjoy on a cruise ship, the staff at the hotel really went above and beyond and really made the vacation very, very enjoyable. I didn't take a lot of video of our trip, but I did take a few clips that I'll share with you. All-inclusive resorts have a great opportunity right now to really capitalize on the cruise ship industry. I think a lot of people are going to be maybe toning it down a little bit on their cruises, and all-inclusive options can really step up their game, and I think that's what we're seeing. Now, this isn't the cheapest all-inclusive option available. If you're really focused on budget, then I'd probably suggest looking at an alternative option, but it's definitely not the most expensive. I think for the price, you'll find excellent value. We paid a little bit more than what we would have normally spent at some of the other cheaper all-inclusive resorts in the area. But when you factor in the food and the drinks and the entertainment and the service, it really, really made the additional price worth it. So be sure to like and share this video. If you have any comments or feedback, I'd love to hear from you below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We spent 7 days at the resort, but we did take 1 day and go out and do an excursion on a pirate ship, which was a lot of fun. And I'm going to be posting that video in a few days. So on with the rest of the video. Hope this video finds you well, and we'll talk to you soon. Hey everybody, we're gonna do a quick little video here of our 2-bedroom room here at the Marival Distinct. This is the front door as you enter. We have a full bath over here on the right. The shower, toilet. And then this is the 2nd bedroom over here on the left. We've got 2 beds, TV, closet, plenty of storage, plenty of closet space. I think my favorite feature in this entire unit has been the washer and dryer. So we've got a stackable washer and dryer, which has been great because we've been here a week, but we only brought like 3-4 days worth of clothing. Here is the living room area. We've got the TV, sofa, a couple chairs. We've got a dining area. We've been playing dominoes here in the evenings. A couple nights we played dominoes. Had the other family members over. The kitchen, pretty self-explanatory. Just about everything you need. We have not been preparing or cooking meals here, but we've certainly had a few snacks. And then the main bedroom, bedroom number 1. The balcony, beautiful view, the TV. There I am. We got a lot of closet space here. We've got the safe, plenty of closet space. We've got the large bathroom, walk-in large bathroom with the shower, and we've got the tub. The bathtub has been fun. The kids have been enjoying that. Bathroom, this also opens up, which is kind of cool. So we've got that door here that opens up. All the bedrooms have air conditioning. There's 3 units, 3 air conditioning units, 1 in each bedroom. And then we have 1 out here in the living room area. And then the nice thing, we've been keeping this door closed because the mosquitoes are no joke down here. But it's just nice to have a nice large open balcony here. Got lots of space, beautiful view. I'll include some drone footage of a video I took the other night taking off from the balcony during sunset. It's getting a little foggy here, hold on. So, beautiful view of the pool area. As you can see, there's plenty of space out here on the balcony. Lots of space, so really has been a great room. Really enjoying it. Those private villas, we were looking at getting one of those. Basically, we toured one earlier. It's basically the same layout, but they have a small private pool area up there, which is nice. And we also thought about maybe renting one of these, which has these little pool areas. But that pool area has been open, so we've been hanging out there in that pool area. We've been hanging out here in this pool in the bar area. But I think our favorite spot is the short walk over to the beach, a bar. The food over at that bar at the beach, the bar and restaurant, has been really good. So we've just been enjoying the atmosphere over there. It's pretty quiet because of the pandemic, but there's definitely been a few more people over there, and so we've been having fun. So that's it. If you're thinking about coming down to Puerto Vallarta, definitely make sure you check out the Marival Distinct. This is the Distinct. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised and you'll be very comfortable. You'll really enjoy your stay, okay? Hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Like, share, subscribe, do all that. And hope this video finds you well, and we'll talk to you soon. See you on the next video.